first fish of the day appeared to be completely normal. It had just slammed a wake bait and was feisty just like any other smallmouth. However, as I landed the fish, there was something different about this one. There we go, finally. What happened to this fish? Oh, buddy. Look at this poor guy. He has a huge wound. Look at that. Poor guy. Looks like a, I don't know what the hell got him. Muskie or something? I don't know, but look at that smallie. I'm gonna let him go. I really feel sorry for this guy. Thanks for watching Bassman Strikes Kayak Fishing. If you like this video, please click the subscribe and like buttons. If you would like to be notified of new content, click the bell button. If you have any questions about lures, equipment, etc., please leave a comment. Also, be sure to check out our Facebook page and join our group Black Bass Central. Links will be in the description. We'll see you next time.